Quite a hot topic at the moment is home improvements. 3 out of every 5 inquiries we're getting at the moment is from customers wanting to refinance their loan, borrow against their equity for home improvements. Rather than me trying to tell you how to do this best and how to use the best of your money or your budget, I've got one of my very good friends here, Bronwyn from Bronz Designs Consultancy, to give her top tips about home renovations and how to get the best from your money.
Thing is, and this is a really common actual, and I don't want to say misconception, a common question I get is, you know, can I just replace my bench top? Because it's maybe a dated mottled green or something and they just want to do away with that, you know?
Yeah.
Or maybe they've got really heavy timber everywhere and it's just a little bit too full on.
Yeah.
And so people go, can I just replace my bench top and I just want to, you know, change out the door fronts? The thing is, it's not just a switch, it's not just a clean switch. So you can't just pull the bench top out. Depending how that bench top's been fixed to the carcass, may in itself be a factor for how easy or not that is to do.
Okay.
But you've also got to remember you've got your splashback. And then on your splashback, you've got a power point, and then you've got a cooktop in there. You may have a sink in there.
So
what's the plumbing doing?
This is the knock-on effect you spoke about
This
before.
is the knock-on effect, absolutely. So whereas if the bench top is in good order, like it's a solid laminate bench top, hardy as, laminate is your most solid, is your most durable bench top material as opposed to stone, you could actually just, do a laminate paint.
Really?
And that would give it a complete new look, and then you're not having to worry about pulling out the splashback, just, you know, getting the actual bench top out itself and having that knock-on effect.
I've been looking for it in the